happens when we mix color in water and oil. Let's see. Water and food coloring are both polar substances, so they mix easily. Oil is nonpolar, and food coloring, usually water-based, does not mix with it. This shows the principle, like dissolves like. Polar substances mix with polar, and nonpolar with nonpolar. Wooden pieces float on water because wood is less dense than water. The air trapped within the wood structure makes it lighter than the water it displaces, allowing it to stay afloat.
When you scrub a balloon with your hair, it causes a transfer of electrons due to friction, creating static electricity. The balloon becomes negatively charged, while your hair loses electrons and becomes positively charged. Opposite charges attract, so the balloon sticks to your body or hair due to this electrostatic attraction. The reaction between baking soda, a base, and vinegar, an acid, produces carbon dioxide gas, CO2. The gas builds up pressure and escapes in the form of bubbling foam, which resembles lava erupting from a volcano.
Soda water contains dissolved carbon dioxide under pressure. When the bottle is opened and shaken, the pressure is reduced and the gas escapes into the air. If a balloon is placed over the bottle, the gas fills it up, demonstrating the expansion of gas and the concept of gas pressure.